Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about pears, and I have a list of suggested food and flavor combinations that are known to work well with pears. So if you're looking for some specific meal, recipe, dessert ideas using pears, hopefully this will help you out. Now this list is very long, so this is part 2 out of a 2-part series. So I have a link to part 1 below, so check that out if you haven't already seen it. Combine pears with cranberries and orange. How about pears with cranberries, pecans, and vanilla? Pears with cream and molasses. Pears with fennel seeds, and ginger. How about pears with feta cheese and red onions and salad greens? Pears with ginger and orange. Pears with ginger and pecans. Pears with goat cheese and hazelnuts. Or pears with gorgonzola cheese, pecans, and spinach. Pears with hazelnuts and raspberries. Or pears with honey, maple syrup, orange, and Parmesan cheese. Now isn't that a different twist? Well, I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.